Have you ever pondered the real power of self-belief? Picture this, a humble tailor, no extensive education, no extraordinary skills. Yet he dreamt of creating an innovative design that would revolutionize the fashion industry. Many mocked him, but he remained steadfast, his belief in himself never wavering. Against all odds, he created a design that took the world by storm. He wasn't exceptional, but his self-belief was. And so it was their unwavering belief in themselves that turned the tables. Now you may wonder, how does one harness this power of self-belief? Well, think of self-belief as a hidden treasure chest within you. It's brimming with untold riches, your potential, waiting to be discovered. But this chest is locked. The key, it's your self-belief. When you truly believe in yourself, you unlock this treasure trove, releasing your capabilities, some of which you may not even be aware of yet. Remember, the key to unlocking your potential is none other than belief in yourself. So, how can you start believing in yourself? Let's start with acceptance. Embrace your flaws and imperfections, for they are what make you unique. Perfection is an illusion. It's your quirks, your eccentricities that set you apart from the crowd. Next, focus on your strengths. Each one of us is gifted with unique talents. It's about recognizing and nurturing these strengths that will propel you forward. Setting achievable goals is another important step. Goals give you a sense of direction, a purpose. They provide a clear path for you to follow, a path that leads to self-belief. And don't forget to celebrate small victories. Each accomplishment, no matter how small, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate these victories. They are your milestones on this journey. Remember, this journey of self-belief requires persistence and patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Embark on this journey of self-belief and watch as doors you never knew existed open up for you.